3 minutes, discuss with me what you've learned this semester in your maths class.
God. We focused on probability, so looking at the likelihood of occurrences, and different ways to measure that. I don't know what else I've done. We did different ways to work out fractions. So instead of using a regular leave, change, flip method to find out division like we were taught in primary school, we have to do it in a different way so that you make the denominators the same, but you're not allowed to call it a common denominator, you have to rename it. And then it cancels out, and then you just have the numerator and no denominator. So then it gives you the answer. But then you have to show it with diagrams, and you have to use all these different models. And you can actually use number lines and like counters and stuff like that to figure out fractions, which I didn't know. What else? You can use it for adding and subtracting as well. And the different ways of representing statistics, like ways that kids are doing. So we use like the classic sort of kind of models that have like picture diagrams rather than numerical because they can be too confusing. And ratios. So a fraction can actually be represented as a ratio, and then you can actually turn a ratio into a percentage. If you're doing percentages, it depends which way you look at it. So if you have, say, 100 and then into 120, you know that there's an increase of 20, which is 1 of 5 of 100. So there's an increase of 20%. But then if you do it the other way around, so you take away 20% from 100, then